What is up guys, Reggie here, back again with another video. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Today I've got a really cool case I just ordered from Amazon for the Pixel 2. You know, it's nothing fancy or anything special, but I think it's gonna be like the best one for this color. This is the kind of blue Pixel 2. Yeah. Nothing fancy, it's just a clear TPU case from Asgard. I got it on Amazon for $6.89 and it was on Amazon Prime, so it got here really quick. Let's just go ahead and pop it open and see. Pixel 2, cool. Okay, so here's the case. Like I was saying, it was nothing special. I got it super cheap. This is by Asgard, not to be confused with the dudes that Thor is from. I think that's his hometown. Asgard. Anyway, disregard. I have got this clear TPU case, and right off the bat it has like this little kind of texture on the inside face, which I'm not really sure what it does, but okay, cool. Let's just throw it on. So the reason why I got a clear TPU case is because I really just wanted to show off this color. Since it's, you know, the blue version, and we wanted to just make sure that we showcase the blue power button there. So let's just focus in really quick. You can see how it works right there. It's nothing special, it's a clear TPU case, but our big thing was just showing off that button and the blueness, blue action. It fits on pretty nicely and it's really thin, so it keeps that kind of thin profile. And I got the Pixel 2, so I wanted a smaller device because, you know, I wanted it to be easy to use one-handed. Definitely keeps that form factor, and I like that. There's some front raised action right there, so you can put it face down, slide it around. You're gonna be cool. The back cutouts right here, so here's your cutouts for your camera, LED flash, and autofocusing laser beams. Your fingerprint sensor, which is, you know, pretty easy to get to, no worries. And the volume rocker, still good. And the power button, everything's clicky. Doesn't feel super cheap, fits nice and tight, it's good. I like this, kind of grippy. It's kind of grippy, and that's good. I was just looking at the back of the phone, and then, so if you had like a D-brand skin right there, just on the G, like the colored one that has like all the color, like red, orange, blue, green, all that stuff, it would look cool. Other than that, that's really it. Let's see if we can activate the squeezy time. Yeah, so no worries, I mean, it's nice, thin, easy to do. That's really all I have for you on this one. Good case, definitely recommend it. $6.89, Amazon Prime. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below if you want to check this one out. If you have a Pixel 2, I mean, you know, you could use it for your white one or your black one too, no worries. But since I have the blue, kind of blue version, definitely wanted to show off the device. So until next time, thanks for tuning in, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.